Many creators are losing views every single day, not because their contents are bad, but because they are not utilizing this one powerful tool that YouTube has given to small channels. Think about it this way: you put so much effort into filming, into editing, and uploading and optimizing it on YouTube, and at the end of the day, you get zero views. And of course, when that happens, the first thing most creators do is to blame the algorithm. You feel your content may actually be the problem. What if I told you that sometimes the content itself is not the problem? The problem is that you're simply missing out on this feature that can help increase your reach, get more clicks, and potentially increase your views. So the truth is, many creators don't know that this particular feature exists, while some actually know this feature, but they are not using it enough to drive in views and traffic to their channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this feature is, how to enable it, and how to start using it to drive in views, to drive in clicks, and to potentially increase your channel reach.
So YouTube quietly released a feature that is actually going to change everything for small creators. I actually tested it. You know, I don't bring what I've not tested here on this channel. I tested it yesterday and it pushed my video to 1/10 in just hours. Video is not even up to 24 hours and it is already ranking 1/10. Sweet part of this is that I did not change the title, I didn't change the description, neither did I touch the video itself. All I did was just to upload 3 thumbnails into the new YouTube's A&B testing tool, and YouTube automatically picked the winner for me. Now hold up, I'm going to explain what I'm saying, and I'm going to show you the proof of exactly what I'm saying, and I'm going to explain why you should also use this particular feature to get more views. The amazing thing about this feature is that before this feature actually came out, creators had to guess which thumbnail is going to get more clicks. When you upload your own videos, you have to make your thumbnail and make sure it is very, very catchy, but you can never tell which of the thumbnail is going to do so well. Especially me, like, before I upload any videos, I make sure I design at least 3 to 4 thumbnails to use. So I have to sit down to guess which one is going to actually do so well to get the click. But now you do not even need to sit down and start thinking or start guessing which of the thumbnail is going to do well. All you need to do is that whenever you upload your videos on your channel, after you're done with the title, the description, the tags, let's make this practical. I'm going to take you to my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. As you can see, the video is at 1K views in 24 hours. And this video is ranking number 1. Now I'm going to show you. Let me click on it. Can you see it? Can you see the A&B test? You can see the test is finished. And I actually uploaded 3 different thumbnails. You can see the first one I uploaded gave me 24%. That means the click was not really much. The second one gave me 43%, which is the highest, and the third one gave me 31%. And YouTube automatically told me that the third one that has the 43, the highest percent, is the winner, because that is the thumbnail which people actually clicked more. So you do not need to sit down to start guessing which thumbnail is going to. All you just need to do is to sit down and design at least 3 to 4 thumbnails for your videos. And if you do not know how to make thumbnails, I made this particular video for you on how you can make thumbnails. It's on my channel. I'm going to drop the link here or in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video. Do well to check it, and I'm sure after watching that video you're going to know how to make a perfect thumbnail for your videos. Now you can see that this video is actually ranking by views 1/10. Like, of all the videos I've uploaded on my channel, this particular video ranked number 1. Ranked number 1 in less than 24 hours. So you see why you need to use this feature for your own benefit, to your own advantage. This feature is actually going to really, really help you, because YouTube will actually help you to push your videos. It is going to test these thumbnails to several people. And the more people see your thumbnail, the more visibility you get on your channel. So do not even sleep on this. I'm going to show you how you can do this on your channel. Now, for you to be able to apply this A&B testing feature, you need to go to your desktop version. If you don't have a system, you can just use your Chrome browser and type YouTube Studio desktop version. Do you see? So once you click on it, you're going to see an interface like this. Long press on it, you're going to see open in new tab. Now once it's open in new tab, you come back to this place and you click on it. Now you're going to see the new tab. Look at it here. So you click on it. Now you're going to continue to studio. Now this particular one is going to take you to your YouTube desktop version. This is different from the YouTube app that is on the mobile phone. You're going to click on this place. Once you click on this place, it is going to bring all your videos. Do you get? So if you just uploaded your video and you've not made it public, you're going to see it at the top. Now look at it. Here are my videos. As you can see, I've already done the A and B test and it is actually completed. So now let me look for a particular video that I have not made public on my channel so that we can do this test right on that particular video. So look at it, get 4,000 watch hours fast. Yeah, so I've not made it public on my channel, so let's use this one. Now good, you see where this title is written. Actually do the A and B testing on your title, so you can actually put 3 different titles. YouTube will actually show people the 3 different titles. Whichever one gets the more click is the one YouTube is actually going to recommend for your channel. Now you can also scroll down. You scroll down a bit, you see where the thumbnail is. So this is where you're going to upload your thumbnail. You see this A and B testing, you click on it. So once you click on the A and B testing, it is going to bring this interface where you see title only, thumbnail only, title and thumbnail. This means that if you want the A and B testing feature to test your title only, you click on title only. If you want it to test your thumbnail only, you click on thumbnail only. But what I did yesterday was just thumbnail because I was sure of my title. So if you're not really sure of your title, if you're not sure if your title is actually going to do well, use the title and thumbnail. And on each thumbnail, you click on the 1, 2, 3, upload 3 different thumbnail and you give it 3 different title. Do you get? Give it 3 different title, and once you are done, you come to set test. And once you are done with set test, you go back to make your videos public. Do you get? Because you need to make your videos public before this test can actually, go on. So once you've made it public, you save it and you leave it for at least, I think I got the results in 2 hours time. Yeah, so it tested those thumbnails on my audience, on other people in 2 hours time, and in 2 hours time it told me that this particular thumbnail is the winner. So automatically it is just going to use that thumbnail which people click the more as your main thumbnail. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, comment, and lastly don't forget to subscribe so that you get to see and hear more amazing tips that can help your channel. So guys, do not sleep on this. Go right away and start using the A and B testing feature for your channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.